Hello everyone, this is Manu Santhanam from Department of Civil Engineering at IIT Madras, where I have been teaching in the Building Technology and Construction Management division for the past 18 years. My area of specialization is construction materials, particularly concrete technology. You know very well that concrete is used almost in all construction projects, yet civil engineers in our country barely have any idea about the material characteristics of concrete. So, in construction projects, concrete is not really given a lot of importance, which ends up in several problems getting created when concrete is actually not adequately applied in different construction practices. What this course intends to do is provide you a fundamental understanding of the material characteristics, how the structure of the material is related to its performance in the field. There has been tremendous advances in the understanding of concrete which have been brought about by the application of sophisticated analytical techniques. These techniques and the application to concrete studies have actually ended up revealing a lot of important and interesting characteristics about the fundamental behavior of concrete. And these studies, which have actually explored the fundamental material science of concrete, have been able to relate the concrete properties at the micro level in the structure. Now, when we deal with concrete as a material, there are various phases within it which also have to be studied in a lot of detail. The interaction between these phases and how they actually come together as a composite material that leads concrete to have its unique blend of properties is what we will talk about primarily in this course. Here is what some of our students who have taken this course before have to say about the contents and about the course in general.
Greetings to all, welcome to the world of concrete. Do you know, concrete is one of the most widely used material by mankind and stands next only to water. But do you think we understand the material sufficiently enough? Well, that's a big question which we want each of you to think about and probably find some answer by taking this online course on advanced concrete technology. The course will try to lay emphasis on fundamental understanding of cement and concrete sciences so that practical issues on concrete application can be taken up with a more scientific perspective rather than on a trial and error basis. Concrete, with its inherent heterogeneity and complexity, is still being studied widely by several researchers throughout the world. One can find a range of people including civil engineer, material scientists to chemists working on different aspects of the subject. In today's scenario, concrete should cater to a wide range of needs, from being pumpable, attain early strength, remain durable, and also being able to be designed within the modern sustainability framework. In addition, there is also a multitude of challenges on a construction site, from mass production of low strength concrete blocks to 3D printing of concrete structures. The course will try to throw light on a material which is used on such vast scale.
This course will cover the basic characteristics of ingredients of concrete. Starting from the fundamentals such as reaction kinetics and then cement hydration, we will look more into the chemical admixtures and mineral admixtures which are going to be added into the cementitious system and their interaction with the ingredients of the concrete. For those who would like to take concrete research as a career, this course will introduce the problems in the existing field related to concrete technology. The problems which are need to be studied are the development of alternative binders and then the limitations of existing testing techniques, as well as the development of high performance concrete as well as self compacting concrete, which are the current requirements in the field. You will also learn about durability issues in the concrete structures and view the performance based specifications and service life assessment of concrete structures.
So, the contents of this course have been split into lectures which will span about 12 weeks. Overall, we will have about 35 to 40 lectures that talk about different aspects of concrete technology. We will have a good amount of emphasis placed on the actual chemistry of the cement itself. We will understand the production and the composition of cement and how cement reacts with water and the kind of phases that are actually formed when cement reacts with water in an extensive study of the cement chemistry. We will also explore the geological origins of different types of aggregate which are used in concrete and what impact they bring about to the engineering characteristics of concrete. This will be followed by an understanding of chemical admixtures and mineral admixtures that are used in concrete to enhance various characteristics. Today, as you all know, concrete cannot be found without the use of any one of these kind of compounds, that is chemical or mineral additives in the system. We will then explore how we can design special concretes like self compacting concrete and high performance concrete. Finally, the last part of the course will deal with understanding concrete performance characteristics, starting from hardened concrete behavior, creep and shrinkage, and finally we will end with durability of concrete, which is extremely important from the point of view of the long-term performance of the concrete. The 12-week course will be broken into several modules, and these modules will be given to you on a weekly basis. The contents covered in each week will include a combination of some of these contents that we just talked about. So, to obtain certification for this course, a final exam at the end of the course is mandatory. This course has been designed for students who are at the postgraduate level. However, higher year undergraduate students, especially those who are in their final semesters, can also take this course because they would have had sufficient background in materials technology, especially if they have had a course in their undergraduate curriculum pertaining to construction materials, and optionally if there is a concrete technology course that they have taken in a higher semester, that would help them understand the contents of this course quite easily. Additionally, this course can also be taken by practicing engineers as well as people who are working for concrete product companies like for cement companies and admixture companies, who will benefit a lot from the contents that are presented in this course. To consider signing up for this course on advanced concrete technology. Thank you.